How to get Booking.com documents, including confirmation, invoices, and payment proof. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing about getting documents such as confirmation, invoices, and payment proof in Booking.com. So first of all, you have to go to Booking.com on your computer and you will see your name and profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that and you will see booking and trips. Click on that option. This will display your booking activity. At the top, you will find your upcoming stays and at the bottom, your past stays. To obtain your reservation confirmation, simply click on the relevant booking, and when the booking details page opens, you will see the options for the confirmation. Click on Print Confirmation and then click on Print again. It may take a few seconds to generate the document, but it will include the details about your reservation, such as price and taxes paid. However, please note that this document is not suitable for financial reimbursement purposes. For that, you need the invoice or the payment confirmation. Now let's discuss the invoice. Booking.com does not issue invoice for stays, as they act only as a booking agent. The hotel or the property where you're staying is responsible for providing the invoice. To request it, use the contact property option available on the site, and you can call, message, or email them directly through the booking.com, and you should receive a response fairly quickly depending on your property's customer service. Many people seek invoices for the reimbursement, but you don't necessarily need one. Alternatively, you can use the payment confirmation document that booking.com provides, but you can only access it after your stay is completed. To find this document, go to your past bookings once your stay is over and click on the relevant reservation and then scroll down to find the option to download the payment confirmation PDF. This document serves as a proof of your transaction and can be used for reimbursement, even though it's not a formal invoice. Remember, you don't always need an invoice to file for reimbursement, especially for the business travel. So this was all about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need assistance with a specific topic, feel free to message me and have a great day.